Back here on Barry 66, I did put the top up a little bit for some light. We are changing out the master vacuum control for the power locks. First order of business was to move the top pad of the dash, which is fairly straightforward. You remove your chrome A-pillars, two screws, and then there's about 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 screws on the bottom of the dash pad. Then you got to unhook your wiring for the speaker and the 2 courtesy lights, and then you can pull the dash pad right out. So it's kind of a bitch to get to. You can actually see it as well from underneath, which I'll show you in a minute, but it's accessible from here down in the, you can actually see it right there. See that orange marking? That's that. So it's down yonder there. There's 2 1/4-inch headed screws that hold it in, and they're kind of a bitch to get to. All right, so there is our unit. Ow! See, I'm trying to do this and talk and shoot and use the phone as light and everything all at once. There is, I can see it. There is our unit. It's loose. See how all of them are color coded? All of them are rebuilt, one are color coded as well. Da da da. Fucking. Alright. Anyway, there's the old one. Here's the new one. You get the idea. See how much actually shows up. Okay, red to red, yellow to yellow, or if you're a little kid, Lello. Of course, this is a different end, different size. So here's a new one. Alright, so the yellow tit is a different size than this yellow tit. Cute. Real cute. Alright. Got them all to go. That was a fight. The yellow and the orange were a little small on the passenger side, but I fought them on. Alright, there's our old one. New one's in. We'll put this stuff back together. Alright, everything's back together. We're running. But our locks still don't function 100%. So definitely gonna need to probably replace all the vacuum lines and the actuators in the doors too at some point.